Hello and welcome back to Complete HTML course. In this lesson we are going to discuss what are the tools required for HTML coding. We need only two things for this course. The first tool is web browser. Either you can use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or anyone. But now here I am going to use Google Chrome. Download this browser and install. It's very simple. Just type the Google Chrome and download and install. After installing, make it a default browser. Go to the setting and click. Then select the search engine. Click on Manage Search Engines. Then click on these little dots and select the Make Default. Now, the second tool is Text Editor, which can be Sublime Text, Notepad, Atom, or Visual Studio Code. These are all famous text editors. You can use any one. Or if you don't want any fancy code editor for HTML coding, then you can simply use Notepad application. Right click and create the Notepad file like this. And you can simply type here your HTML code and save the file as a Udemy course.html. You can give the name whatever you want. Then go to the save location and open in the browser like this. But now in this course we are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor. You can download this text editor from website code.visualstudio.com. It's totally free and it has a lot of functions. Open the browser and just search Visual Studio Code and the link will pop up and open the link. Simply click on this. Download for Windows, or you can also select these options for macOS and Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download it for Windows. As you click, it will start downloading. It's downloaded. Let's install the setup. Simply click, select the agreement and click on Next button. And select the location where you want to install. I choose default location. I click on Next. I want a desktop icon, so I check this and click on Next and install. It will take some time to install. And let's click on the Finish button. Click and open the editor. It is the Visual Studio Code Editor and it is the welcome screen. You can open the file or folder from here, or you can open your recent projects. I close this welcome screen. You can see the icons here left side of the screen. This first one will show you the project file structure. When you open the project or create a project, you can see your project files or folders here. And this is the space. We will do our most of the work here. This is the search bar. You can search the file and folders from here. This is the source control and this is the bug. And it's the extension. Here you can see your installed extensions, but current we don't have. Now we are going to install some extensions. Search here auto close tag. This is the auto close tag. We'll install this extension from here like this. I'll show you how it works. I type here h1 element. As I close the tag, it generates the ending tag automatically. I show you again. I am going to create paragraph tag. As I close the tag, it generates the ending tag automatically. It is very simple and very useful. It's very nice and useful extension. Now we'll install the extension Live Server. Click here and type Live Server and search. Click and install. It will take some time. It will create the local server for our HTML web page. I show you how. I open the project and go to the file. Now our project is open in text editor. Right click and select the open with live server, or press the shortcut key Alt L and Alt O. It will open the server. You can see here this is our local server and the file is open. I create a heading tag. I type h1 and I'll type here the content. this is the complete HTML course, and save the file, and it will be reflected automatically here on the browser. You can see, as simple as that. I again show you. I create here another heading tag. I type h2 and type here the content. HTML is very simple to learn. Save the file and see the output. This is the use of live server, and it's very simple. Now let's go ahead. This is the setting. Click and open. You can customize it as per your work. You can change the font size from here. I want to increase the font size like this. It is the graphical interface. If you want to increase the font size by using the JSON code, then click on it and it will open the JSON code. And you can change the font size here like this. Save the file. Now open the graphical interface. You can see here also change the font size. This is the Visual Studio Code editor, and there are many options available in this text editor. We'll discuss in coming lessons. Now we are ready for HTML coding. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.